to fix Stremio Addons not working. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Stremio Addons not working. So if Stremio Addons not working, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issues. So here's the comprehensive guide to help you to get your Stremio ads on working again. So first of all, you have to check for the update. Ensure that you have the latest version of your Stremio installed on your device. Just go for your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Stremio on your device. Once you have searched for the Stremio, so you have to make sure that there is any update available. Then you have to update of your Stremio app. Also, you can restart your Stremio. Just go and launch your Stremio app. Once you have launched your Stremio app on your device, sometimes simply restarting the Stremio app also can resolve the issues. Just close the app completely here and you have to just reopen that app. And if restarting that app doesn't work, you can restart your device. So restarting your device also can fix your sound box related to the Stremio. So also you can go to the mobile device setting here. Once you are on your device setting, you have to scroll down and go for the app or manage app here and search for the Stremio. Once you have searched for the Stremio here, just go for the clear data and clear your cache of your Stremio. So once you have cleared your cache, which can also resolve the issues caused by the corrupted data. So also you can uninstall and reinstall the Stremio, which can also help you to clear any corrupted files and make sure that you have backup any necessary information before doing this. Also you have to ensure that you have the stable internet connection, so the poor connectivity can also add-ons or to malfunction or fail to load the content. So if possible, you have to switch to different network here. So by following this step, you should be able to identify and resolve the issues with Stremio add-ons. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.